Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of February 12th, 2024, Part 1. This week's theme is Valentine's Day. Llama, Llama, I Love You by Dewdney. Llama, Llama Valentines, Cupid's lace and heart designs. Make a card for every friend. Some to give and some to send. Fancy glitter heart for Mama. Yummy chocolate heart for Llama. Candy, cards, and flowers too. Llama, Llama, I love you. The end. We're going to make a coffee filter heart. So what you need is your Craft to Go kit, which is a coffee filter heart. You can see it's shaped like a heart. I have a paper towel down here because we're going to be painting with water. So I just thought that would help absorb some of the stuff going through. Then you need some markers. They have to be washable markers. And because it's a Valentine's Day heart, I'm going to do mine in red, purple, and pink. And what you want to do is put a lot of color on this. And we'll see how it all blends together. You can put designs, you can just scribble. I'm just kind of doing squiggly lines. And once you're done decorating the heart, we'll come back and go ahead and do the water. Okay, this is how I've colored my heart. I just did squiggles and swirls and cross-checking there, or cross-hatching, sorry. Cross-checking is hockey. Cross-hatching is art. And then you'll need water and a paintbrush. Or you can use water in a spray bottle if you want, but I like the water in the paintbrush. You just dip it in the water and just paint over top of the heart, and it starts to blend together. See how it's starting to dissipate? You can use a lot of water. Purple and red's really going good. And then when this dries, you can hang it in a window, and it makes a nice little sun catcher too. But this is fun, and it's something a lot of coffee filters come in a pack, and they're really inexpensive, so you can do lots of hearts if you want. But I'm just gonna do the one. Make sure you get lots and lots of water on there. It really absorbs it, so it seems like you're doing a lot, but it's really sucking it in. See how I just did a little bit and it's already dry? That's why sometimes a squirt bottle works better. Now this pink doesn't want to blend. It's very strange. They're all washable markers, but the purple and red really did blend very well. And then you just let it dry. That's all there is to it. That's my fancy coffee filter heart.